Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by signing into Chrome with the parent Google account. This gives you control and sync across devices. Once signed in, make sure Chrome is updated and that sync is enabled. This keeps settings consistent. Next, create or choose the child Google account or a supervised profile. This is important because parental controls attach to that identity. Do this now, because without the child account, you cannot enforce filters or time limits. Open Family link on your phone or go to Families. Google. Com to manage the child profile. You control Chrome settings from there. Once inside, set web filters. Choose Allow only approved sites, warn on explicit results, or block specific categories. This blocks unwanted content at the browser level. Also enable safe search and review site permissions and extensions so the child cannot install risky add-ons. Make sure to save changes and communicate restrictions so the child understands boundaries. You finish by setting screen time rules, bedtimes, and remote locks in Family Link. These enforce healthy usage. Once done, test the child profile. Try accessing a blocked site and confirm it's blocked, then check another device to ensure settings synced. If something goes wrong, sign out and sign back in, clear the browser cache, and confirm Family Link has the required permissions. Often a quick re-auth fixes sync or permission errors. If needed, rebuild the supervised profile.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.